If you're choosing a money app for a teenager, parental controls usually matter more than early direct deposit or debit card design. The easier it is to monitor spending and manage the account, the easier it is to teach good financial habits. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Current or Chime is the better choice, if your priority is giving a teen financial independence without giving up oversight. Here's the quick answer. Current is built with dedicated family features, while Chime is designed primarily for individual banking. If you're specifically looking for a teen account with parent-focused controls, Current is generally the stronger option. Start with account management. Current allows parents to create and manage accounts for teens through the same app. That means you can monitor activity, transfer money when needed, and keep track of spending without switching between multiple services. For many families, having everything in one place makes daily use much simpler. Now, compare Chime. Chime focuses on personal checking, savings, and direct deposit features for individual users. While it's a popular digital banking platform, it isn't centered around teen account management in the same way. If your goal is opening an account specifically for a younger family member, you'll notice that difference quickly. Controls are another important factor. Parents often want to know where money is being spent, send allowances, or provide funds for school expenses without handing over cash. A platform designed for families makes those tasks much easier than one built mainly for independent adult banking. Think about how the account will be used. If your teenager needs a debit card for lunch, transportation, school activities, or occasional online purchases, parent-friendly controls can help you supervise spending while still giving them room to learn. That's different from choosing an account for a college student or working adult who manages everything independently. The mobile app experience also matters. Both services emphasize app-based banking, but the features you'll actually use are different. Current focuses more on family management, while Chime emphasizes everyday banking for individual account holders. Here's a simple way to decide. If you're opening an account for yourself, compare Chime against other personal banking options. If you're opening one for a teenager and want ongoing parental oversight, Current is usually the better fit because that's exactly what it was designed to provide. The best teen account isn't the one with the most advertising. It's the one that helps your family manage money safely while giving your teenager practical experience with everyday spending. Before signing up, review the latest account features and parental controls to make sure they match your family's needs. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other straightforward banking comparisons.